Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate biscuits. You will need 75 grams of butter, cubed and at room temperature, 75 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, 225 grams of plain flour and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. To your butter add your caster sugar and cream together until well combined. Then add your egg and your milk and mix until well combined. And then add your plain flour and your cocoa powder and mix and bring together until you have a nice dough formed. Then to a pre-floured work surface, you want to roll out your biscuit dough and you want to roll it out until it's about half a centimetre thick. Then I used a 6cm fluted cutter and just cut out my biscuits. Then pop these on a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper and bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate biscuits.